Right now we're down in the Northern Rivers. A friend of the family, he asked me to insulate his cabin out on his farm, so why not? Thought I'd help a good fellow out. So now we're driving through the scrublands.
Going in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere in a Jeep Compass. To your death. No. All right, everyone, we're down here. We've got this cabin insulated. There's a lot to do, not enough time in the day to do it. So we're going to get this done real quick. First thing we're going to do is a lot of people stuff up on walls and they get the wrong size insulation for the walls. So you got to check your cavity, which is the thickness of the wall, check the insulation and check the thickness of that. If everything goes well, it'll marry up nicely. Insulation in the wall, darling. It's to stop the, it's to keep the warmth in the house and keep the house cool in summer, keep it nice and warm in winter. Alright guys, so how I would normally cut a 450 wide bat in a non-450 wide stud. Hold your insulation up against the stud with your knife, mark the stud, bring it to the floor, cut down your line, and voila, you've got a perfect size to fit inside your stud, even on both sides. Easy as that. Straight in. Tuck it in on sides. Don't worry about the middle. Fits nicely. We got some R15 75mm thick bats from Ecowool, which we purchased from Raffle Plaster Supplies. Top notch, A-grade stuff. Lovely. People are always complaining about this stuff being like itchy and stuff like that. I think it's alright. I can't feel it. Immune to insulation. Insulation being 75mm wide, like this particular bat, you got to try and keep it expanded and fluffy, right? You can't push it in like that because it loses its property as a insulation. You got to try and keep it nice and fluffy in the wall to create that thermal barrier for weather.
Do you just leave it in there and hope it doesn't fall out?
No, I won't fall out. Because it's nice and tight between the two trusses. It's like just under 450, so the 450 wide backs will fit nicely. That's why it just won't fall out. So that's all we can do at the end of the day. As you can see, we've done all the walls, we've done a partial amount of the ceilings. The only reason why we couldn't finish the ceilings was because there's 3 big leaks right above my head here. So there's no point continuing on just yet until those leaks get done. The last thing we want is the water to get exposed to the insulation, and that would just ruin it. So wait till the leaks are done, we'll finish the roof, and then we'll do a finish shot. Look at that Raffle over here, just working away, putting rocks in the cone. Good job. Safety first. Alright guys, so this is the end result. It's all insulated, it's all finished, looks amazing. Come let's have a look.